Hey everybody, welcome back to Matthew's Guidance Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very quick and easy pasta recipe. Around the holidays, we're always looking for great side dishes or quick meals to share with family and friends, and today this little pasta dish is going to do just that. This pasta dish is made with pappardelle pasta, Italian sausage, sun-dried tomatoes, and lots of baby spinach. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start to boil my pasta. So in a pot of boiling water, I'm going to be going in with some salt, just so this way the pasta can be nice and flavored by the time it is done. And I'm going to be going in with a little bit of olive oil just to ensure that the pasta does not stick to each other. And at this point, I'm going to be going in with my pappardelle pasta. Now these pastas are basically fettuccine pasta, but they're just a little bit thicker. And trust me, they're super delicious and they soak up the flavors of this dish very well. So I'm putting it in the water and I'm going to cook it as per the package directions. You can use any type of pasta or any type of noodle for this dish. This is just what I had on hand. And when this pasta is done cooking and you go to strain it in your colander, make sure you save or reserve some of that pasta water before you drain it all away. We need that pasta water later on to help create a nice sauce. Now while my pasta is boiling, I'm going to start to make the sauce and the ingredients to put together with the pasta. So in a heavy bottom skillet, I'm going to go in with some olive oil and let that heat up. And once it's heated up, I'm going to be going in with some Italian sausages. Now these Italian sausages have the casing removed from the outside. This way, it'll be easier for the meat to grind up and be in smaller chunks as it's cooking. After about 10 minutes, you're going to notice that the Italian sausage browns very well. There's a little bit of sticking going on at the bottom of the pan, and it's nice and crispy. So at this point, we're going to be going in with some chopped onions, and what the onions are going to do is it's going to add another flavor, and it's actually going to scrape up some of the scrapings from the bottom of the pan. And once you add your onions in, you're also going to go in with some chopped garlic or some crushed garlic, and at this point, you can also go in with some red pepper flakes, but I'm using hot and spicy Italian sausage, so I will not be going in with added pepper flakes. And after about 5 minutes of those onions cooking up with all of the Italian sausage, I'm going to deglaze the pan with some white wine. The reason why you want to do this is so this way all of those nice flavoring agents at the bottom of the pan that have stuck there will be scraped up and will be made into a nice sauce. I'm going to let this reduce for just about 2 minutes so this way that raw alcohol taste cooks off. At this point, once the alcohol reduces a little bit, it is time to go in with some dried oregano and dried basil. If you wanted to go in with fresh herbs, feel free to do so at this point as well. And I'm going to be going in with some chopped sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to stir those in. And once all of those flavors have had a chance to marry together, it is time to go in with some of that pasta water. I will leave all of my ingredients and the measurements down below, including how much pasta water I used in my sauce, so this way it's easy when you go to put this dish together. Now we're just going to let this simmer for just about a minute, so this way the sauce can thicken and all the flavors can marry together. And after your sauce comes out to your liking, you're going to add in that pasta or any type of noodle that you're using. And right on top of that, you're going to be going in with some baby spinach or any type of greens of your choice. The reason why I did not add the spinach in earlier was because all I need is for the spinach to wilt down. It cooks very, very quick. What I'm doing here is I'm just tossing everything together very well. I turned off the heat on my stove so this way nothing dries up anymore. So once you get everything tossed together, you're going to give it a taste and make sure it has enough flavor to your liking. You can go ahead and adjust your salt, your pepper, or anything like that. But once you coat everything together, the pasta is done. As you can see, this meal took only about 20 minutes to put together, maybe even less, and it was a breeze to put together because it had minimal ingredients. But all you're left with is this beautiful, delicious, and flavorful pasta, and one that I really hope you all give a try during this holiday season. If you enjoyed my video today, please don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you see all of the other holiday recipes that I will be posting. And of course, drop those comments down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you all again very soon in one of my next videos. Bye everyone.